Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed, and today we have here a headphone from OneOdio. Do not confuse this with OneOdio. That is quite an expensive brand. This is OneOdio. This is made in China. But I have heard that this has a really good quality sound in this. So what we have here is this has a 24 months extended warranty. This is a DJ and gaming headphone. So this is the A71 Fusion from OneOdio. So let's turn it over and see. Specifications, speaker. Okay, so the driver size is 40 mm. That is quite big. Normally the headphones has a driver size of 36 to like 26 to 40 mm. So for you, for all of you who doesn't know what a driver size is, that is the size of the driver decides the strength of the audio output. So yeah, 40 mm, that should be really nice. Plug type is 3.5 mm and 6.3 mm, so that is nice. So let us not waste any more time and do the unboxing of this unit. Okay, so this has a detachable boom mic. So let us put this aside for a moment, we'll see it later. Okay, let's see what else do we have. So this is the standard user manual. Okay, standard stuff, I guess. Let's put it aside. So okay, so this is the 3.5 mm jack and this is the 6.3 jack. So you can use this on acoustic like electric guitars also. You can plug it in directly. That is good. So yeah, nice, stretchable. Let's put this aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. So there is a converter. You can use this to divert the audio and the mic to two different ports. We can use this in the older PCs, so that is nice to have. What else do we have? Another manual. I think this is the warranty card. Okay, there's something else in this. Okay, this is unexpected. Get a free gift. Amazon. Okay, so I ordered this from Amazon and redeem a free. So this is the reason, guys, that these days you cannot trust the Amazon reviews these days. This is a kind of bribe. If you give good ratings to them, they will refund 50 rupees or they will give you a pouch. Not the very best practice, I would have to say. So let us put it aside. So this is in a fox leather pouch. I don't know how long that will last. Okay, so nicely tucked away. This is nice. So left and right seems very comfortable. This is an over-the-ear headphone, so it will cover your ears entirely. So this goes here. So this is the headphone. Let us see what else do we have. So that's the detachable boom mic. I would say this is really useful. You can plug it in when you want to use it, like this, and you can have your calls or gaming sessions. Okay, that's nice. And you can have play, pause button and a mute button also. That is also nice. A volume rocker. So that is the unboxing video of this. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for the full review of this headphone. We'll be doing it soon. So that's all for today. Stay safe. Bye.